Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Revit class again. Today I'm going to be talking on sweep, continuation from where we stopped in the other class. Okay, so remember to hit subscribe button, like and share this video for more updates. Okay, so on our previous class we have talked about what generic model. Under generic model I've talked about extrusion. So that's the extrusion we have talked about, and then today I promise that I'll be talking about sweep. I'm going to be learning how to work with sweep. I'm telling you, this class are very massive. This class is very massive. I'm going to be learning a lot. But this extrusion and sweep and the rest, wow, it's going to be a lot of amazing stuff here. Okay, so on this video we'll be talking especially on what? On sweep. Okay, let's go back and then for a refresher course small. Okay, come back to architecture. Under architecture components, okay, we'll be learning on model in place. I already talked about place a model and then model in place. Place a model is designs model and then you add it to your design. While this model in place is you are the one that will model it. When you click on it, we have different types of categories. There's family here, doors, anything. You can be able to design anything that you're seeing. You want to design floor, you design ceiling, you go with ceiling, you enter ceiling and do your design. You want to design case work, you go there and do it. Electric equipment, any equipment. So but now we're talking about this particular stuff. So we want to be clicking on what generic model. Click on generic model, and then after generic model 1 talk about extrusion. Generic model 2 we'll be talking about sweep. Okay, I said we'll suspend this blend and evolve, and then I want to make it more simpler so that we understand. I don't want to scatter the knowledge. I want to do step by step so that we can be able to understand what we are in. So this sweep. Okay, sweep and SketchUp or in any simple language is follow me function. SketchUp, there is a tool called follow me function. So this is also this sweep me follow me. Anywhere you click and then you create a family or a component, so it will follow through the sweep and then it will finish it up. Okay, so when we say follow me or this thing, we have sketch pad and we have pick pad. Okay, pick pad is click on it and then pick the part and then do your design and follow me. For sketch pad now, you just come and just do your sketch now. For instance, let me just say, okay, this is my part now. I'll sketch it floor here. So say I will do it separately and then I'll come and show you how to do it now. Okay, you click on it now and then you come and do your design. For instance, now this is the design. Okay, let me use this circle now. Let me use this circle. Click on this particular pointed red arrow and then you finish now. For instance, now see wow, this is what I'm creating. Watching what a pipe now, secondary pipe. Okay, this is sweep now. Let's see something sketch. Okay, let's increase the sketch now. We just have one sketch now. For instance, now this one should go like this, and then this one should go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. Let's finish it. Wow, I see what we're having. So you can be able to create any design of your shape and then you finish it. As far as you have a closed loop, but one interesting about this sweep it mustn't be a closed loop, but you are permitted to have one opening, not closed loop. As you can see now, I'm not having a closed loop, but it's finishing for me. That's under this sweep alone. So you have this right word, you have it like this, only one opening or one break. So this is what we're having. So with this, you can be able to have a lot of things. So this particular point, this is my reference plane. So I can be able to change design, then any design of my choice now. Let's delete this one and then use a box design. Let me see. Just use design a crazy design now. So just click it like this. See what I'm having. So this is the beauty of sweep. Any shape that you can be able to create within that particular axis or that reference plane, it will follow, then it will show up. So this is how to really go about it. So for instance, now let's give it a try. Okay, create, and then let's give it a try on our particular one. Okay, what can you do with sweep? Sweep, I can be able to do my concrete fascia, I can be able to do my belting, stem bar, all that stuff. But let's start with concrete fascia. Okay, when you click on here, let's click on pick part. Now when I click on pick part now, okay, I'll come to the edge of my wall now where I want to do the concrete fascia. Come and click on it. So let me just click randomly and then finish them up. Okay, and this. So let me go. Click here, 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 and then click here, click here, and click here. Okay, so now come here to my plane, finish it now, and then I'll design. For instance, concrete fascia is, let's use 600 by 450. Then come like this, and then this is the box. If I leave it like this, for instance, now just finish it. Let's see something. You see, this is a concrete fascia. Are we seeing it? This is a concrete fascia. Now you see how it really works. Wow, this is amazing. See how it works. So, I want to show you something now. Let's just click here and then click on edit. So we can be able to use this to get our design. Select profile now and then edit now. Can be able to do any design of our choice. Okay, let's make a simple design of concrete fascia like this. For instance, like this. And then let me use this curve line. Yes. And then since I'm having this design, I see this is the design of my concrete fascia. So I can finish it up now like this. Then wow. Are we seeing what we have here? This is real, this is amazing. Yes. So with this you can be able to do no matter how you want to do your concrete fascia, the design. Just use the tools and then get your designs. Okay, so fine. Let me finish it up now. I'm done with my concrete fascia. For the sake of this one is the more hardest part. That other one is just normal box and then you finish it. This one you make your design and then finish it up and then make it to be in a close loop. Then from here again, what next? Okay, let's go back to architecture and then components and then model in place, generate model. That's the normal procedure. Get model, generate model 3, and then let's go back to sweep. I want us to do something like belting. Let's belt this program. Come and click on here ground. Come and click here again. Come and click here again. I want to do a belt here. And then you come here. So make sure it is in a close loop. Yes. Finish it up. Join the edges. Okay. Then you finish it up. Come back to floor, and click on the floor. Also click. Maybe you want to do our belting 100 by 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. Yeah. Okay. Then we finish it here and then click on OK. You see what we have. This is amazing. You see what we have it? See what we have here. See what we have here. See what we have. So I told you, these are powerful tools that you can be able to use. These tools are very massive, they are very powerful. So any design that you want to see, that you admire in a 3D, and you want to do it, just follow these simple steps and get it right. Concrete fascia, no matter how concrete fascia, just pick the edges and then do your design and then finish it to get it right. It's very simple, but people are seeing as if it's very complex, and then you just practice and practice today and tomorrow. Just try this, try that, you see. Okay, you see. So now let's do the last thing now. I will show you now. Okay, let's finish off. Let's edge this here and make a simple design here. Let's go back to architecture and then model in place. Go back to the normal way. Go back and then sweep again. So you can be able to click on here, for instance. Click on here, then finish it up. For instance, I want to make a cantilever now. Small cantilever here. So I can finish it up here. When I join them, I can say okay, good, and then edit my profile. Let's say use 300 meters now, and then 100 by 150. The fear of people using Revit is all this step by step. You have to be doing things in detail. The setup, they are very long. That's why people not really love Revit more. But if you are determined, you won't have a challenge. You finish, put okay, and then finish it up. You see what we are having here? You see what we are having? We are having what? The cantilevered beam here. So, and then the cantilever is not full. So here, if you want to make it to be all round, you can still come back to edit, click on it, and then come back to pick parts, and then pick the edge again, click it, and then finish it. It will follow. You have the liberty to edit where you want it to be. Are you seeing? So this is how Revit works, and this is how these tools work. So you see so many extrusion within walls and stuff. With these two tools now, sweep and extrusion, any kind of design you want to achieve now within your building that is not out of design, so you can be able to achieve it with this particular tool. Okay, so the last thing that I will show you here is when you do this thing, you can be able to change the material. Now, for instance, this, if I click on it now, edit, I'll be able to give it a material. Click on it now, and then come here, material, click material, it will open up. You can come here and say okay, to create and rename it white extrusion, white sweep, for instance, white sweep. That's the name I'm giving to you. And then I'll go to color and then maybe appearance, and then choose material. Is it a concrete work? Then you can come and choose the white concrete board, for instance now. Concrete as well. Black brown board. Let me see, and then you come to here. There's a setting here. You can come on to color, and then you click on it. Okay, so you click on it, and then the color now is now white. Then you click on OK, then you come, and then you see the material is white. So you finish it up. So you have what the white. So you can able to click this one again too, and then go back to edit, and then click on the material, come back to category, and then come back to white sweep again now, and click on it. You have to select the material. It's now white. Standard. So if you want this one to be white, you can finish it up and then come back to this particular material and then edit it now, and then click on it. So click on the category and then click on white sweep, and then click on OK. That's all. So you see, I've given it material, and also I've given it what I've done my design. So with sweep you can do massive design. So as we are going in classes, anywhere we need to use this particular tools, we're going to use them. So now we have used what extrusion to do our window wood, and then use what our sweep now to get it now with our fascia on this. So this is how far we can go with this class for today. I think we have learned a lot, and then this class is helpful. So in our next video, I will show you how to use the rest of the tools there in the generic model. So thank you very much. If you found this video interesting, so remember to hit the subscribe button, give me a like, also comment nice work architect poetech. Yes, so thank you very much.